Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel. Yes, I'm sitting on the couch today. So yes, you guys will try it from the thumbnail. I'm going to talk you about most rated video, that is couchsurfing. Before beginning, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, guys. So I'm going to talk about, is the couchsurfing fully free? Is the couchsurfing free? Is the couchsurfing safe? I'm going to talk about everything about couchsurfing. Watch the video until the end so that you will have full knowledge about, honest knowledge about couchsurfing. Let's begin. Yes, many of you have doubts regarding couchsurfing. Is it safe? Is it fully free? Many people ask me that couchsurfing is free. So I'm going to answer every question you have it in your mind. So watch the video until end. So I'll come a little more front to you guys so that now it's better. So that's what. So couchsurfing. So before knowing that, let's see what is couchsurfing. Couchsurfing is that someone can share you a couch like this. They can give you a private room like this, or they'll ask you to sleep on the floor. That's it. So that's what they will mention everything in the profile. You can choose the profile what you want. According to that, you can choose your host. Having said that, so let's see what is couchsurfing. Couchsurfing is that many people have heard that couchsurfing is an app. Is really an app? No guys, couchsurfing is not an app. Couchsurfing is a community where they came together to give a traveler who are genuine travelers and gain their culture, knowledge, food or language. So they share their knowledge about their culture and food. You can in turn give your knowledge about your culture, food, everything. That's how couchsurfing has been to facilitate more traveler friendly. To become it more traveler friendly, they developed an app and said you can also use the app, so it is more friendly. You can use via your mobile. So then only couchsurfing started growing more fastly because it became more friendly with the users. So it's not an app, it's a community where there's a lot of people around the world who came together, host stranger traveler to their home. Having said that, many people doesn't know how really you can use the couchsurfing. I created my couchsurfing, that is 2 years back, 3 years back, and after 2 years only I started using couchsurfing because I had many doubts like you guys. So for all doubts, I'm giving this answer. How to use couchsurfing? So how to you generate a profile in couchsurfing? So you can go to couchsurfing, the website. You can create your profile in that. You can put all the details. Give them food. You can also mention in that you can share the food, dinner, whatever, lunch. If you can share the kitchen with them, so you can also mention that in your profile. That's how you create your profile. And once you're done with that, one thing guys, when you're creating profile, put your original photo emphasizing that you are a traveler, and upload as many as photos that you travel to many places, that to give an impression to the host who is willing to host you, that you are a genuine traveler. So that gives lot of emphasis on your travel. Make sure that you are smiling in that photo and if they can see your face if you are smiling, so that gives a very good gesture. That's a very good saying that you are a very friendly person. That's communicate what you are a very friendly person, though, so they'll be ready to host you without any much doubts. So try to maintain a positive vibe in your profile. So positive thing in your profile, emphasize the positive things in you in the profile, so that people will like to host you because they want to know about so and so things about you. So after creating the profile, so how to send a request? You can send a request. You can choose a particular city and whichever date you want to travel. So after that, you can choose the host which you want. You can go to their profile and you can see what you want, where you can sleep on a couch, or you want a private room. So you can choose one of them, and not one of them, you send multiple requests to many people in that particular city. Before sending the request, remember guys, don't just copy and paste and send them the request. Just go to the profile, send a personalized message. Before that, just add few words, 50 words, around 50 words about yourself and about your travel, and mention what they said about the rules and all. You just mention the 2 words, like you have gone through the profile, these are the rules, and will not break these rules. So whatever, so you can mention that you can cook for you guys your awesome food of your country, of different country, whatever it is. So what you can share with them if they host you, those things you can mention while you're sending a request. That will be very touching request. So that's how you have to send your request. Features in the Couchsurfing, like or the app, like you can do hangout means you can just press the on, and you can see which are people nearby you. You can go with them for a coffee, for a date, or hopefully for a friendly walk, or they can show you their city. Who knows, they can invite you for their house, and they can host you also. That's how it goes, Couchsurfing. And there is a lot of other features which I'll not go in depth, because this is generally I'm focusing on how you can travel with the Couchsurfing. Couchsurfing is a big community, and there's a lot of activities which is going in there. So if you want those videos, let me know guys in the comment section. So I will do much more bigger video, because the length of video will be more. So coming to the next question, like you guys are very curious to know, is the Couchsurfing safe? Yes, Couchsurfing is 100% safe, following the rules which a genuine traveler will follow to be safe in every country or every city he is following. Like you have to choose the host in a way, like you can go to the profile, you can see the positive response of the people and reference. So regarding the reference only, you can choose the people or whatever, where they're staying, what the house they have got. You can see their photos, those things and all you can see, and you can choose the best host. So it is completely safe. For females also it is completely safe, no need to worry. Only thing is that you need to choose the right host. There will be many bogus hosts, or there will be many people who want to attract you guys to their hotels or those things. So be aware that. So there are people who take money after hosting, saying that I hosted you, I bought money. Don't give any money, you do not need to give any money. So choose wisely your host, see the reference, see what they have written about the host, and choose the host. So it is safe for you, it is 100% safe for you guys. So is the Couchsurfing free? Ultimate question. Yes, Couchsurfing is ultimately free for you guys. So yes, what then people will ask, what about I need to pay for get verified? Guys, so if you are starting the Couchsurfing, first you need to start hosting the people, only then people will accept your request. Having said that, if you host someone in your home, so Couchsurfing will give you 3 months, like you are verified. So you need not to be pay anything, nothing. Even $60 also you don't need to pay, it's completely free. So whenever you host, 3 months will add to your profile. So I'm not telling just host once in 3 months, host whenever you can, so that get more reference, so that more people will host when you are traveling to other places. The rejections will be more or less, and people will be very eager to host you guys. More the reference you get, more the people will host you. Getting reference is the key. It's the money in Couchsurfing. Host as many as people you guys can, more people will accept you. Couchsurfing is everywhere. It's very beautiful. I done Couchsurfing, so not done outside India. I'll be doing very soon. That's it pretty much about Couchsurfing. You can, you guys can in the comment section ask me any doubts which I left out. I left out some section of the Couchsurfing. There's a lot of events which is happening, because if I am explaining everything, this video will go for a length and you guys will get bored. But if you want to learn more about other features, let me know in the comment section, so I can, if there are more people who wants to know more about Couchsurfing, I'm ready to do that for you guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, peace.